watching the temperatures warm up very quickly today. Temperatures right now sitting at 66 in Columbus Grove and Bluffton. We have 65 Lima and Cartersville. Zooming out across the area, we see temperatures at 67 in Deschler. Up there in Henry County, we have 65 in Sidney, 64 in Bellefontaine. Just feeling really nice out there. As we look at the satellite picture, really hard to find a cloud in the sky. And this trend will continue for the rest of our day today, so be sure to grab those sunglasses. And if you're going to be spending any extended time outside, I would definitely lather on the sunscreen. Because remember, we're in May now. That UV index is very high. It's just that we haven't seen the sun a lot lately, so your skin probably not used to that. Again, we look at some rain to the north, parts of central Michigan, parts of Wisconsin. There's another batch of some rain down across parts of the south there. So we're kind of split right now. Just have a developing frontal system across the plains. It's going to slowly start to head eastward. There'll be a warm front here that's going to start to edge further east, and that will bring our next chance of precipitation. That will come in late Saturday night and into our day on Sunday. That will bring some changes in the forecast. But for now, enjoy a sunny, pleasant afternoon. We'll keep this nice weather going through today, tomorrow, and then that front starts to move in and bring some changes. It looks like some scattered storms could be a possibility from late Saturday night, and there'll be a period from that time through early Tuesday where we could see a few storms in there. And then the middle of next week looks like a drier setup with lower humidity and maybe a slight cool down, but still looking at mild temperatures. So this afternoon, beautiful wall-to-wall sunshine. We'll see temperatures holding around the low 70s much of our afternoon. If you have plans for your Friday evening, it's going to be terrific out there. 70 degrees at 7 o'clock, 62 at 9, and 57 at 11. So we're just slowly cooling. Just a very pleasant overnight ahead of us here, but temperatures again this afternoon, lower 70s area wide. As we head into tonight, temperatures generally running close to 50 for our overnight low. Looking at our forecast for tomorrow, high should be a little bit warmer than today in those middle 70s across the area. So how about that for the first weekend in May? Definitely feeling the warmth out there finally. As we look at our skycast, we notice tomorrow there will be more clouds moving in, so don't expect as much blue sky and sunshine tomorrow, but we will still have a good bit of sunshine, and that will be enough to get us into those 70s. The clouds will gradually increase by late afternoon. You start to notice here Saturday, we'll start to see some storms in Illinois, parts of Iowa, Missouri. That front's going to start to head east, and there'll be some waves moving along that, and that will be the trigger for some storms Sunday at 8 o'clock. There's a little cluster of storms here beginning to move in. So the thinking continues to be for Sunday is that we're going to start off on kind of an active note with scattered showers and thunderstorms. We cannot run some isolated hail or some gusty winds with these, so we'll keep an eye on that. But the severe risk because of the time of day, it's going to be a limiting factor for us with lower instability. But this will move out of here, and the trend suggests Sunday afternoons a bit on the drier side. So we're not talking a washout, but again, it does appear likely at some point, especially Sunday morning, some scattered storms will roll through. Be sure to keep it here because we'll keep you updated on the timeline of those storms and that severe weather chance as well. But right now, the severe chance looks fairly isolated with that. Today's high, again, coming in at 71. Southeast winds at 10 miles an hour. Overnight tonight, temperatures falling upper 40s to low 50s, partly cloudy. Our Saturday forecast gets us to 75. We'll see more sunshine in the morning and then gradually increasing those clouds, winds out of the southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Your 7-day forecast temperatures quite warm, and we're going to really kick up the humidity as well. So by Sunday, you're going to really notice kind of a muggy feel in the atmosphere. And again, those storms right now look most likely Sunday morning. That forecast is still subject to some changes, so we'll keep you updated. Monday, some scattered storms, and then this front's going to push through. We'll get a drier air mass as we head towards the middle of next week with sunshine, but temperatures looking great. We're at or above 70 for the highs over the next week.